At SolarBuddy, we believe that every person around the world should have equal access to both power and education. And so we believe that by bringing STEM education workshops, helping children assemble lights so they can take them home and have light at home, be able to study when the sun goes down, that we're helping empower communities as they lift themselves out of poverty. SolarBuddy's been working in communities around the world for a little bit over 10 years now. We've helped distribute lights and other solar solutions in about 33 countries around the world. We started distributing lights across the Philippines about 18 months ago. And we've distributed in about 5 or 6 different regions across the Philippines.
I am very excited to hear that we are chosen as the beneficiary, and then the SolarBuddy is very needed. Mostly of our learners, out of 1,061 learners, we have 263 learners that were being wiped out or washed out their homes, and they are living in the Domlog gym. No electricity, and then no water supply. So when I hear that we are the one helpful kay namo nga sang SolarBuddy gipili gyud ang eskwelahan, and also with the division of Talisay City. Dako kay akong pasalamat kay kami gyud out of the 24 elementary schools of Talisay City Division.
To the SolarBuddy team, thank you so much. We are grateful beyond words. Words are not really enough to express our heartfelt gratitude for all of you. You have given hope to our students. You have given light to their dim world, and you have given us the courage and the strength to move on and keep going despite what has happened in our community. Thank you so much, SolarBuddy, and to all of your team members.
So this is the first of what I hope will become thousands of STEM education workshops to be run here in the Philippines. We've run this as a pilot, and we know that it works. We've seen the smiles on the children's faces today. We've seen their minds opened. We've seen the way they've grown in their ability to problem solve and to think and to build things and to create circuits and put things together.